My name is Brother Solomon. Real estate is one of the biggest and richest investments. Take advantage of this opportunity and trade it with the Prince Builders and Estate Developers. When you buy 10 plots, you get one free. The Prince Builders Estate Phase 2 at Obage Community off Sapele Road, now selling for 700,000 naira. The Phase 3 at Obayanto Community off Airport Road, selling for 950,000 naira. And Phase 4 at Imasabon Community, Sapele Road, selling for 950,000 naira. No community development fee, no agency fee, just buy and build. Remember, you can pay instrumentally.
You can call us on 091 5500 5000
or visit our office at Comfort Plaza 4A, Etete, DRA, Benin City. Make a rush go buy my own.